Mark your attendance first. Now I stop this sharing.
मैम
हेलो।
मैम लास्ट क्लास में आप लिखवाए थे कि वर्टिकल स्टील प्रोवाइडेड इन इनर फेस मतलब लिक्विड फेस, तो मैम रिमोट फेस में नहीं प्रोवाइड करेंगे वर्टिकल स्टील?
Vertical steel is a distribution steel in that case. दोनों ही केस में क्या है, जब हम लोग रूफ स्टील प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल एज वेल एज वर्टिकल दोनों ही प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। और जनरली हम ये बोले, जनरली इफ tension will act in the inner side, then in that case provide vertical steel or distribution steel in vertical direction, right?
ओके मैम।
And again, if vertical steel or tension steel or distribution steel is provided in tension side, and the horizontal steel provided as a main steel or hook steel, and this horizontal steel should be this horizontal ring should be properly made by a curved horizontal ring should be in the form of curve and it should be properly curved in a hooping machine. In a hooping machine means horizontal ring we provided already I told you is in the form of horizontal ring. Is in the form of horizontal ring, and this ring should be this ring should be this ring should be properly curved. properly curved.
मैम आपका वॉइस अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है।
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
यस मैम अभी ठीक है।
Curve in a hooping machine. Hooping machine means with the help of hooping machine we convert horizontal bars into a ring, into a form of ring or into a form of horizontal ring with the help of hooping machine. And not bend in a series of kings. And the dia of, and we also know the dia of the circular wall is very large. In that case, it is not possible to provide a one single bar to cover a complete perimeter of the wall. Right? So, lapping of bar is needed in that case. It is not possible to provide a single bar in the form of horizontal ring throughout the perimeter of the wall so that overlapping or so that the lapping of bar is needed. Lapping of bar is needed. Right? And if the floor, and in the case of circular water tank, if the floor slab is resting on ground, in that case we provide a minimum thickness of 150 mm. A minimum thickness of slab is 150 mm. Provide 150 mm minimum thickness. In that case, and in that case, with a nominal reinforcement, with a nominal reinforcement means nominal reinforcement means minimum requirement of reinforcement according to code means 0.24% for HYSD steel, and if we use mild steel then 0.3% in case of mild steel. If floor slab is resting on ground, in case of circular water tank, we provide minimum thickness of floor slab is 150 mm and with minimum or nominal reinforcement according to the code, and according to the code for high yield strength deformed steel bar, we provide 0.24 nominal reinforcement, and when we use mild steel bar, in that case, we provide 0.3% in each direction. In each direction means inner side or outer side. And direction is vertical as well as horizontal. And in case of, apart from the floor slab, in case of circular water tank, the slab of circular water tank resting on a 75 mm thick layer of lean concrete. In case of rectangular water tank, we already show that when rectangular water tank resting on the ground, we in that case we only provide a floor slab or slab. But in case of circular water tank, we provide 75 mm thick layer of lean concrete or base of lean concrete below the slab of the tank, means below the slab of the tank, and this is your slab. And thickness is 150, right? The layer of lean concrete means, first tell me what is the meaning of lean concrete?
नहीं पता है मैम.
नहीं पता है. Lean concrete having a less strength means the concrete having less grade comes under in the lean concrete, means M5, M7.5, M10. These all grades are called lean concrete. But M5 and M7.5 removed from the code, that's why we use only M10 grade of concrete here. As a lean concrete. And what is the ratio for M10?
1:3:6.
1:3:6.
Yes, ma'am.
M15?
1:2:4.
1:2:4.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अभी देख लेते हैं. M20?
1:1.5:3.
1.5:3. And M25?
1:1:2.
1:1:2. Right. 1:3:6. Right. The layer of lean concrete should be first cured and then it should be covered with a layer of the lean concrete layer should be covered with a tar film to make or to enable the floor slab to act independent of the bottom layer of concrete. Independent of the bottom of concrete. These all are the basic design requirement for circular water tank. Now we move to a problem based on circular water tank. Note down, design a circular water tank with flexible base, with flexible base for capacity of 5 lakh liters. The depth of water is to be 5.0 meter, including a freeboard of 300 mm. Use M30 and FE 415. Use M30 and FE 415. See, this is your circular water tank. Sorry. Something look like that. And base of the tank. Thickness of the wall. This is your circular water tank, right? And this is your dia of the tank, denoted by capital D. Capital D, dia of the tank. Effective depth of water. Effective depth of water. First, I write here the depth of water is 5 meters, including a freeboard of 300 mm. Means the effective depth of water means effective depth of water is 5 meter is the height of water tank minus 300 mm freeboard means 0.300 mm means 4.7 meter is the effective depth of water in our circular water tank. In our circular water tank. .7 meter. .300 mm. 5 meter. And this is your dia of the tank. Right? Means in our circular water tank up to 4.70 meter height, water is there up to 4.70 meter height. Now we know the height of water in circular tank. Then after that, let us assume if D is dia of the tank, if D is dia of the tank, and we also know that we provide a plaster, we provide a waterproofing plaster on wall of the tank. So we consider, if we consider a 20 mm thick waterproofing plaster on the wall, then the net dia will be D minus, this is your top view of circular water tank. And this is your thickness or wall thickness of circular water tank. And we provide, if we provide a waterproofing plaster, right? And from here to here, this is our dia. Then after providing a 20 mm thick, plastering, then the dia of tank becomes D net. Then we can write here D minus, capital D minus 2 into 20 mm thick means 0.02.
Yes, ma'am. Meter.
Right? This net dia is clear to all?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
we calculate the net dia after providing a waterproofing plaster? The consideration of this waterproofing plaster in our calculation is totally optional. If you want to consider it, then you consider, and if you want to leave it, then you leave it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In this case, we consider the thickness of waterproofing plaster, then we calculate D net is equivalent